Yeah, hello everyone. Let us discuss the 16th question. The question is a hockey ball of mass 200 gram. Let us consider or imagine that this is a hockey ball. Okay, and the mass of the hockey ball is given. Mass of hockey ball is equals to 200 grams. Mass is 200 grams. Traveling at 10 meter per second. So initially it is traveling with the speed 10 meter per second. So let us consider the initial velocity u is equals to 10 meter per second. Now, if you compare the both the units, mass is given in grams, but velocity is given in meter per second. Velocity units are different, mass units are different. Mass unit is CGS in CGS unit, and the velocity is in SI unit. So we need to convert this 200 gram into kilogram, or else you can convert even 10 meter per second also to centimeter per second. Then you need to convert again 5 meter per second also. So instead of converting two, will convert only one, 200 grams. If you convert it into SI unit, that will become 0.2 kg. Okay, 0.2 kilogram will be the mass. Okay, if we draw the diagram, okay, now let us consider this is a hockey ball and it is traveling. It is traveling, suppose if this is a ground and let us consider that this is a hockey stick. Okay, it is traveling and what happened? Okay, it went to the hockey stick and it stick by hockey stick and struck while going. It is with the velocity of 10 meter per second. Hitting the hockey stick After hitting the hockey stick, velocity change, and so that it returns along its original path. Again it is coming back on the same path, but here now the velocity has been changed, which is equals to v is equals to 5 meter per second, returning back. Okay, so returning back, so what I do, I'll take it as opposite side now, so minus. Calculate change of momentum. We need to calculate change of momentum. Delta P. Delta represent change. We need to find out what is the change of momentum occurred by the motion of hockey ball by the force applied by the hockey stick. Before getting hit by the hockey stick, the velocity is 10 meter per second. After that, velocity changed to 5 meter per second. And so what happened? Velocity change. Na? So velocity change in the sense momentum also get changed. Momentum formula is mass into velocity. So another formula, as you all know, change in momentum. What is the formula? Change in momentum is equals to change in momentum. Change in momentum. Momentum formula. I'm just writing MOM, but you don't write MOM. You should write the whole word momentum. Okay, change in momentum is equals to final momentum by the formula is final momentum minus final momentum minus initial momentum initial momentum. This is the formula of change in momentum. We study in impulse. Okay, initial momentum MOM. Okay, now what is the V value? V is equals to minus 5 meter per second. Why minus? Opposite side is coming in opposite direction. And we need to find out delta P. Delta P is equals to question mark. Okay. So in any numerical, first you try to understand the question as I already explained you, and many times I told also in the beginning. So first we should write the given values. Okay, I am writing the given values. Given m is equals to 200 gram, which is equals to 0.2 kg. Then initial velocity u is equals to 10 meter per second, and then final velocity is equals to minus 5 meter per second. Okay, and delta p change in momentum, and let's change in momentum is equals to question mark. We need to find out. Okay, so what is the formula? First Change in momentum is equals to, the formula is change in momentum is equals to final momentum minus initial momentum. Okay, momentum. So change in momentum delta represent change, which is equals to final momentum, which is equals to that is equals to mv minus mu. Okay, this is the formula. Now substitute all the values here. What is m? 0.2. Okay, if you observe here, we can take m common, so we will write like this. We may write m into v minus u, so which is equals to 0.2 into, what is the v value? Minus 5. Okay, minus 5 minus, what is u value? 10. So which is equals to 0.2 into minus 15. Minus 15. Okay, which is equals to 15 to the 30. Okay, so here, but 15 to 0.2, so you will be getting minus 3 kg into meter per second. Minus 3 kg into meter per second. Okay, this is the final answer. Make a note. Let us go to the next question. A bullet of mass 10 grams. Again, here also you observe the units are different. A bullet of mass 10 gram traveling horizontally with a velocity of 150 meter per second strikes a stationary wooden block and comes to rest in 0.03 seconds. Let us consider this a wooden block. Okay, and this block is this is a block, and then let us consider this as a gun. Okay, and from the gun a bullet was fired. Bullet was fired. And what is the mass of the bullet given here? Mass of the bullet is 10 gram. Okay, mass of this bullet is 10 grams. Okay, and also after that, but it is, if you observe, it is also not in the CGS SI unit, right? So you need to convert it into SI unit. Okay, that we'll do later. Now traveling, and now it is traveling with how much speed or how much velocity? 150 meter per second. So initially when bullet was fired, its initial velocity u is equals to 150 meter per second. And after that, what happened? It went and it strikes a stationary wooden block. Wooden block is also at rest. Okay, and come to rest. Yes, after hitting the bullet, after hitting here, the bullet came to rest in 0.03 seconds. So, at what time it came to rest? Within, after hitting the wooden block, within 0.03 seconds, the bullet 0.03 seconds, it came to rest. Calculate the distance of penetration of the bullet into the block. Now we need to calculate that how much distance or how depth, we can say, how depth the bullet, suppose if from here to here, the bullet might have struck or penetrate. Penetrate means going inside into the wooden block. Okay, how much distance it has been penetrated into the wooden block, that we need to calculate. So, okay, we need to calculate distance. I told you S is equals to question mark. Okay, distance not from bullet, see, not from gun to this bullet. Okay, we need to find out the distance of the bullet which is penetrated into the block. That is very, very important. Also calculate the magnitude of the force exerted by the wooden block on the bullet. As we all know, if the bullet is applying force on the wooden block, similarly in the opposite direction, wooden block also apply force on the bullet, right? According to Newton's third law. Okay, so we need to find out force as well. Let us write the given values first. Okay, so this is the diagram. So note down the given values. Given mass of bullet, mass of bullet bullet is equals to 10 grams, which is equals to 0.1 kilogram. Okay. And initially, what is the initially velocity is equals to 150 meter per second. Okay. Time is given. Time t is equals to 0.03 second, 0.03 second. Okay. And then it came to rest now. It comes to rest. It means final velocity will become zero. You can write in the bracket rest because Boolean block came to rest. And we need to calculate the distance. S is equals to question mark, and also force is equals to question mark. Okay. So we have two formulas. One is S is equals to ut plus half at square. Okay, ut plus half 1 by 2 at square. This is one formula. Or we have v square minus u square is equals to v square minus u square is equals to 2as. These are the two formulas. But if you carefully observe in both the formulas, which formula will, and one more formula is also there, v is equals to u plus at. Okay, v is equals to u plus at. We need to find distance, and also we need to find force as well. Okay, so accordingly, we will see which formula we may take it. If you observe v is equals to u plus at, we can take another formula as well. There are three formulas. We can take another formula, but I'll go with the third one. The third one is nothing but actually it's the first equation of motion. I should write first that one, but okay, no issues. So v value, what is the v value? 0 is equals to what is u value? 150. Okay, plus what is a value? We do not know a value. We need to find out. And what is time? 0.03. So if you calculate this, what will be the a value? A is equals to A is equals to, I'll do one more step here. 0 is equals to 150, 150, okay, plus 0.03a. Okay, I need to find out a value now. So what I do, I'll send a to another end. Then it will become minus 0.03 is equals to 150. 150, 0.03a is equals to 150. So with this a value, a is equals to 150 divided by 0.03. 0.03. If you calculate it, if you solve it, then you'll get a value. A is equals to minus 5,000 meter per second square. Okay, why second square? See, I'm writing S2 because I don't have a option to write, uh, but I'll write in this way, S square. Okay, this is the meaning. In your classwork, you should write S square only. Okay, fine, S square. So A value we found now. Now S value, what about S? You can use any formula. You can use V square minus U square equals to 2S. You may use, or you can use even S is equals to UT plus half AT square. Okay, so I'll use the formula V square minus U square is equals to 2S. V square minus U square is equals to 2as. Okay, now substitute the values. What is v value? We don't know v value, so it will be 0 square. 0 square is nothing but 0 only, minus u square. What is u value? 150. So 150 into, again 150 square, na? So 150, which is equals to 2 into, what is a value? Minus 5,000 into what is s value? Need to find. Okay, so if you observe here, minus 150, 150 here in this formula, or in this numerical, we may cancel. We'll cancel here. Okay, let us see. Here 1 0 get cancelled. Here also 2 zeros get cancelled. Okay, next 5 table, 5 threes are 15. Okay, and 5 tens are 50. Okay, understood. Next again 5 table, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15. Then what you are getting, minus 9 is equals to minus 4s. Minus 9 is equals to minus 4s. So here minus minus get cancelled. So s value, s is equals to 9 divided by 4. And if you solve it, you'll get 4 ones are 4 twos are 8. 4 ones are 4 twos are 8. 4.10. 4 twos are again 8. 10 again at 20. So 2, 4 fives are 20. So distance will be 2.25 meters. Okay, what is the distance value? Distance is equals to 2.25 meters. We found the distance. Now, force, very simple. Using the values, you can find the force value. Force is equals to, what is the formula? The formula is mass into acceleration. Okay, force is equals to mass into acceleration. What is, sorry, here 0.1 kg, no? It is 0.01 kg. Okay, sorry, you don't write 0.1 kg, write down 0.01, 0.01 into into 5,000 acceleration, sorry, minus 5,000. Okay, so here I have written 0.1 kg. So 10 grams, when you convert it into kilograms, it will become 0.01 kg. 0.01 kg. So 0.01 into minus 5,000 meter per second square. So what will be the final value if you solve it? So therefore, F is equals to force value. F is equals to this 0.01 can be written as 1 divided by 100. Okay, 1 by 100. Why 100? Because after point, how many zeros you have? How many digits you have? You have two digits. So I am writing after one, two digits. Okay, so 0.01 can be written as 1 divided by 100 into minus 5,000. Minus 5,000. So two zeros and two zeros get cancelled here. So final value, F is equals to minus, F is equals to minus 50 Newton is the answer. Okay, understood. Let us go to the, you note down. Let us go to the next question. Okay, so 18th is done. Now coming to 19th. Very simple question. Write the question in your classroom. An object of mass 100 kg. Okay, an object of mass 100 kg is accelerated uniformly from a velocity of 5 meter per second to 8 meter per second. Observe the units. Kilogram is a SI unit. Meter per second is a SI unit. In 6 seconds, second is also SI unit. Calculate initial and final momentum of the object. Also find the magnitude of force exerted on the object. Very simple one. So let us consider this is an object. And the mass of the object is how much? It is given as 100 kilogram. Okay, 100 kilogram. Accelerated uniformly from a velocity of 5 meter per second to 8 meter. It means what is the initial velocity? Initially the velocity is 5 meter per second, and later on, after 10 seconds, okay, after 10 seconds, I'll write time. After 10, after 6 seconds, after 6 seconds, velocity change to final velocity 8 meter per second. M is equals to 8 meter per second. Now calculate initial and final momentum. Very simple. What is the formula for initial momentum? Initial momentum is equals to M into V. Initial momentum is equals to M into U. Okay, momentum M into U. Initial momentum. Na? Similarly, final momentum, we need to find out mu value. We have to find mu is equals to question mark, and final momentum. Final momentum is equals to M into V. These are the formulas. MV is equals to question mark. We need to find out. Okay, substitute the values here. You will be getting initial momentum 100 into 5. How much? 500 kg into meter per second. 500 kilogram into meter per second. And next, mv value, mass 100 into what is v value? 8. 100 is the 800 kg into 800 kg into meter per second. And also is asking find the magnitude of force. So what is the force formula? F is equals to m into a. Okay, but here acceleration is not given. In place of acceleration, he has given u, v, and t value. So we know the formula, right? You write down. We know that WKT means we know that A is equals to what is the acceleration formula? A is equals to V minus U by T. A is equals to V minus U by T. So you may substitute in the formula. F is equals to M into, in place of A, I'll write V minus U divided by T. Numeric like question is a little big, and even you feel that answer is big, but very simple, very easy. You need to understand it. That's all. 100 kg mass value is 100 kg. What is the v value? Final velocity 8 minus what is initial velocity 5. Okay, here there is no space. I'll write m is equals to 100 into what is the v value? 8 minus 5 divided by t value 6. So 8 minus 5 is 3. So 100 into 3 by 6. 3 ones are 3. 3 twos are 6. Again 2 ones are 2 fives are 10, and already 0 is there. So force value is equals to F is equals to 50 Newton. Therefore, F is equals to 50 Newton. This is the answer for question number 19. Okay, I hope it is clear. Let us see next question 20. Okay, and again in another page we have five more questions. Okay, so Akhtar Kiran, these are the questions. Let me read. Akhtar, Kiran, and Rahul were riding in a motor car. Okay, so these are the three students. They were riding a motor car that was moving with high velocity on a expressway. Okay, moving with high velocity on a expressway. When an insect hit the windshield, and when an insect hit the windshield and got stuck on the windscreen. Okay, they are while they were riding the motor car, small insect hit the windshield. Windshield, you know, the front part of the. This is a car, motor car, and these three students guys were inside. One, two, three. Who are they? One is Akhtar, A. One is K. Kiran. Third one is Rahul. Okay, and what happened? These insects, small insect, while they were riding, small insect came and uh, it hit the windshield. Okay, and got stuck on the windshield. Akhtar and Kiran, the first guy and second guy, Akhtar and Kiran started pondering over the situation. They were talking about the situation. What happened? Okay, what happened? Insect came and it struck the windshield. Okay, that is what happened, right? So they both were pondering about the situation. They were talking about it. Okay, and then finally, next what happened? Kiran suggested that the insect suffered a greater change in momentum as compared to the change in momentum of the motor car. Kiran is saying insect might hurt a lot. Okay, because the compared with the motor car, the insect velocity was much more than out of the motor car. This is Kiran's assumption. But Akhtar is saying, Akhtar said, since the motor car was moving with a larger velocity, but after is saying motor car was moving with larger velocity, na? Okay, larger velocity, it exerted a larger force on the insect, and as a result, the insect died because our car is going very fast, and so that is the reason it has given more hurt, more force on the insect. So that is the reason the insect is dead. Okay. But third guy, Rahul, while putting an entirely new explanation, said that both the motor car and the insect experience the same force and a change in their momentum. Comment on these suggestions. But what Rahul is saying, no, your both assumption were wrong. Actually, both the insect, he's saying insect and even the motor car experience same force and a change in their momentum. Comment on this suggestion. So what comment that we can give? Okay, I'll write the answer. Simply to write that Kiran and I don't. First Kiran was talking now. So suggestion, Kiran's suggestion is incorrect. Is incorrect. Why? Correct. As momentum is always conserved. Conserved. What does it mean? Momentum before and after will be same, right? Before momentum and after the momentum is always constant. That is, so this is the meaning. That is, change. There is change in momentum of insect must be equal to to that of motor car, to that of motor car. Okay. Now, no, this is the first assumption. This is the Kiran's assumption, and then later on, who is the next one? Akhtar, right? So Akhtar's suggestion is also incorrect. Is also incorrect. Why? Because of the is also incorrect because of the same reason, same above reason, same thing. Okay, but finally, who's the last guy? Rahul suggestion suggestion is correct. Why is correct? Because insect and insect and motor car experience same force, same force and change in momentum. Same force and also you can write also. I'll be writing here also also the insect died. Why? Because insect died because there is another reason. Mass is a very small insect. No? Small. The mass will be so small. Insect because it was unable to bear the large force and large change in momentum. Okay, large change in momentum. This is the answer for 20th question. Okay, simple assumption. Now this 20 questions are completed. Remaining 20 we'll see in the uh, next question. Okay, next video. All are simple. Remaining 3, 4 questions are very simple. We'll discuss in the next video. Okay? Thank you so much for watching.